FPV baby steps. Converting an RC plane into a FPV aerial vehicle. I did just that to my Electrocat glider by mounting a camera and VTX on top of the wing. You can do the same to any plane as long as it is a stable plane that can fly hands-free. A flight controller would be nice but not necessary. All you need is a VTX with camera, preferably at least 600 mW or more as shown. This VTX is rated for 7 to 25 volts, so you can supply the voltage through your receiver as well. Just be careful with flight duration based on your battery milliamp hours. I have been using Cobra X goggles and they are one of the leading analog box goggles out there and their recording quality is very good. If you are first time flying FPV, I recommend first fly line of sight and record the video. After landing, check the battery level, and if it is less than 30%, reduce your flight time or use a bigger battery. Next, review the video and create a mental aerial map of the area. Pick landmarks that can help you navigate north, south, east, west from your location. Most people get disoriented when they are unable to recognize the area from above, and you are limited in your peripheral vision through the camera. The video should also help identify any issues with the video feed. Almost all analog systems will get grainy when out of range and if the antennas are obstructed because of plane maneuvering through the air. Once you have done these two pre-FPV flight checks, get a spotter and take off without goggles. Once you have reached safe height and know the plane heading, put goggles on and fly. When taking off the goggles, make sure your spotter can quickly point out the plane. Remember not to go too far, unless you have a flight controller with GPS that can trigger return to home with a toggle switch.